Have you forgotten your LinkedIn password? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Let's get you back online. First, go to the LinkedIn login page. Click on Forgot Password below the password field. Now, enter your email address linked to your LinkedIn account and click Submit. Check your email for a password reset link from LinkedIn. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Click the link in your email. You will be taken to a new page to create a new password. Finally, enter your new password and confirm it. Then, click Save. That's it. You're back in business. Remember, creating a strong password keeps your LinkedIn profile secure. For future reference, write your passwords down securely or use a password manager. And there you have it. Stay connected and secure on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Until next time, keep your account safe.